And let us see what is there in this question now. The diagram shows the atomic transition E1, E2, E3 when a particular atom changes its energy states. The wavelengths of the photons that correspond to this transition is given by lambda 1, lambda 2, and lambda 3. So these are emission spectrum shown there. So obviously they are releasing some energy, and lambda 1 is released when E1 transition is taking place. Lambda 2 is released when E2 is taking place. What is correct about these wavelengths? Okay. So the first option is lambda 1 is greater than lambda 2, greater than lambda 3. It means lambda 1 is the largest of all. Let us see. Energy of a photon is given by hc by lambda wavelength. It means that energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. More is the wavelength, lesser will be the energy. Lesser is the energy, more will be the wavelength. So E1 is having maximum amount of energy. It's more than E2, it's more than E3. So maximum amount of energy means the minimum wavelength. It means that lambda 1 should be minimum, but A is saying that lambda 1 is maximum. So A option is wrong. Now lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2 plus lambda 3. Now these are some addition principles we have to think. So as per the additions and this equation is concerned, we can clearly see that E1 will be equal to E2 plus E3. E1 can be written as hc by lambda 1. This can be written as hc by lambda 2, and this can be written as hc by lambda 3. Hc can get cancelled out. So D is found to be correct. So 1 by lambda 1 is equal to 1 by lambda 2 is equal to 1 by lambda 3. This is how we do it. And so the answer for us is D. And let us check this answer from the mark scheme. If the answer is actually coming out to be D. And yes, the mark scheme is also saying the same thing. Thanks for watching the video, my dear student. This is Professor Varun. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, join the YouTube channel if you want to access the paper 2 questions. All the best. Bye.